The next tier is tier 5, which is for Aleph and Beth numbers, and smaller tier large cardinals. It is also when it becomes uncountably infinite, as opposed to countably. Some things about mathematics you need to know. A cardinal is the size, and an ordinal is the order. So a cardinal is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 12, and an ordinal is 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 12th. Aleph-0 is the set of all natural numbers, and Aleph-1 is the set of all real numbers. This is important because there's a theory called continuum hypothesis, which says that if it is real, then the next set after Aleph-0 is the set of real numbers, meaning that Aleph-0 is less than Aleph-1. However, if continuum hypothesis is false, then there's a set between the set of natural numbers and the set of real numbers. Mathematician Kurt Gödel, who made the Gödel's constructible universe, which is the L in V equals ultimate L, and proved that it cannot be proven as true, and mathematician Paul Cohen, who's proved that it cannot be disproven. So the question is whether continuum hypothesis is real or not. Because if continuum hypothesis is real, then the set of natural numbers precedes the set of real numbers, and if continuum hypothesis is false, then the set of natural numbers precedes an unknown set, and that unknown set is less than the set of real numbers. There are also Beth numbers, because Aleph is the first Hebrew letter, and if continuum hypothesis is tier 5c is for uncountable infinity, which is Aleph numbers. 5c is for characters who align with Aleph-1 or Beth-1 if the continuum hypothesis is real. 5c plus Sub-Outerverse Level is for characters who align with Aleph-N or Beth-N if the continuum hypothesis is real. High 5c is for characters who align with Aleph-Omega and Beth-Omega if the continuum hypothesis is real. This is a simplification if the continuum hypothesis is real, and this is if the CH is false, which is for tier 5b. Low Sub-Outerverse Level plus, which is tier 5b is for Beth numbers if the continuum hypothesis is false, which is Beth-1, Beth-N, and Beth-Omega. Tier 5b plus is for characters who align with the weakly inaccessible cardinal, and tier high 5b is for characters who align with the strongly inaccessible cardinal. And tier high 5b plus, which is for high Sub-Outerverse Level Omega, is for anything that ranks above strongly inaccessible cardinal without transcending space, time, dimensions, mathematics, reality, or philosophy. So it's basically like the most powerful tier without transcending these concepts. And tier 5a is for characters who transcend time and space, who are independent of time and space. And tier high 5a is for characters who are completely independent of dimensionality as well as time and space.